morning, everybody. Welcome back to the Brothers Barn. How y'all doing today? Isaac, you ready for this big job?
Good morning, everybody. We got a big one today.
Yes, we do. So if you guys watched our last video, we was talking about us doing an estimate for a big house and the garage and the shed. Well, the guy called us the other day and asked us to come out and take care of it. So here we are. We're going out, taking care of it. It is 9 o'clock in the morning, and it is 32 degrees outside. So
A little chilly this morning.
yes, yes, it's a little cold. We're gonna see how long it takes us to take care of this. We'll show you guys some videos once we get there. But another good day payday. So we're gonna try to get this done. The guy wants his gutters cleaned also, so hopefully he left the water on for us out there. We're gonna be in some trouble. But we'll see how it goes. See you guys in shortly. Okay, we made it to the job site. We're getting the water filled up. It's almost half full. Again, today, show you the roofs that we're working on. We're gonna hit that roof, both sides. A little shed right there. And then the house right there, that big old house. And this is the house of the big roof. The roof of the big house. You can see all that moss up there. So we're going down here, getting the ladder set up, getting ready for some working. We also got this big peak right here that hit on this roof right there. We gotta get up there. So I'm gonna get set up, get to work. Alright, we're getting this soft wash going. See the suds up there? Good stream. We cleaned out the gutters for the client. Took us a minute. They were plumb full. I mean, look at that. Look at all that. All that came from the gutters. It's crazy. Just crazy. But we got them cleaned for them, so. I already did that side a little bit, but I'm gonna hit it again. Getting nice foamage. Kind of get right in there. Alright, so this is the one side. I'm going to get this finished up and then I'll show you the other side. Be back in a sec. Isaac's over there getting the gutters all cleaned out and stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and take care of the shed. So I got to change my tip though. Hold on. Okay, I changed the tip to a small fan. Turning down a little bit faster than what I'd like. But we can manage through this. It's getting nice and soaked up. It's already turning on us. Look at that. Look at that. It's already turning. Already turning. Say bye-bye, moss. Alright, we just got the other side kind of soft wash. Isaac's over there just keeping everything nice and wet. You can kind of see that the moss is already done. Yeah. It's going bye-bye. Alright, I want to wrap up the house, then we're going to get the garage. We already got the shed. You can see the shed. It's looking good. Alright, we gotta get this done. on the garage. It's the last one. I kind of like to do these edges real quick. Get them nice and soaked. And then kind of box it in, going back and forth, nice and slow. Make sure I'm not missing none. Trying to make sure we get all that soaked. We get all that stuff off with the soap and SH. See all that moss up there? We're gonna have to say bye bye moss. Alright, I'm gonna get this going, get it done, and we'll be back. Alright, we just got done wrapping it up. That's what she's looking like. All nice and dead. And over here, shed. See, it's nice and dead also. And the big garage over here. So we got everything wrapped up. It's about 1:15 right now. So we started, I think it was 9 o'clock. We'll call this a done deal. And we're gonna say bye bye moss. Catch you guys on the next video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Leave some comments, feedback. Really appreciate it. Hopefully you enjoy the video. Hit that thumbs up. Until next time, guys. Later, everyone.